It's hailing outside. It's hailing. It's a hailing. No, it's hail. It's hail. It's hailing. Dude, guys, it's hailing outside. Dude, who would have known? Who would have known it'd hail where we live? Who knows it'd hail? It's hailing.
What is that?
It's hailing.
Is it ice?
It's hail. Yeah, it's like snow ice.
Ice that comes from the
Sky. Dude, no, look at the gate. Look
Oh
at the
my
gate.
god!
Look at the gate.
It's gonna fall!
It's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall in the
The
stinking
gate's gonna
pool!
fall.
You got a video?
Yeah, I'm taping
It's
right
gonna
now.
fall in the stinking
It's
pool!
gonna fall right. It's
Oh
gonna
my
fall.
god!
It's hailing and it's gonna fall.
Take a picture for mommy.
That thing is gonna... Oh my god.
Here, watch out.
Dude, it's so much hail.
Oh my...
Guys, it's hailing the crap outside. We live in Arizona. Who would have known this would happen? Where we live, this is just crazy.
That has never happened to us, guys. That has
I don't
never
know.
happened.
That is just like, are you serious right
No,
now?
Jared's gonna go out there.
Don't do it.
Don't go out. Guys, no. She's out.
Debbie was right. It knocked over our fence.
It did. It's knocked over. The fence is gone.
Look, the hail's already melting. That's what
No,
it's grass. though.
is the fence like fell? Is it gone now?
It might fall over too tough.
Oh God, this is crazy.
Oh my
It's
god.
crazy.
I haven't ever seen that in my...
It's hail.
Oh my god.
It's dude, the power might go out. I saw a flash. So this is gonna. Like it's banging against our window at the front door. It's hailing. It's actually hailing. Like seriously.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I have never seen that in my life.
That's crazy.
That is just so crazy. I can't believe it right now.
That's just freaky. Is the gate fell over yet?
Not
Oh my gosh.
Like is
Oh!
it falling?
No. Okay.
Are you sure?
Guys.
Oh, the chair just went flying!
Oh my gosh. This is...
Dude, if it floods though, I'm gonna be like, seriously.
This is crazy town.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is like...
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Crazy.
Dude, it's like blowing wind. There's hail on the ground. Most of the hail's melted. But you can just hear that banging against the window. Just hear it, look at this.
Guys.
You can hear that rain. It's
Oh
like
my god.
bad.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is actually happening.
Like my dad was yelling for me. He's like, Drew, come here. I'm like, what's going on? He's like, and I came out, I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
Dad outside and I'm like, Dad, look, and then Drew's like, Dad's like, get Drew.
No way. This is crazy.
Go look in the front yard.
Let's go. The front, This is
I'm
crazy.
eating right now, so it's gonna have to drink.
That's crazy.
This is, oh my gosh, right now, everybody. This is the first time I've ever seen this.
I've never seen hail like in person.
How bad is it up here? Our front door is all wet. That means, yeah, we better shut this because it's going to come in the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
You look up.
How do you feel about this, Darby?
What's wrong?
She's
What if she needs to go pee-pee?
Oh, that would suck because she's gonna have to pee now.
I want my dog to be safe.
She's obnoxious and creepy. Darby. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this here. But it's crazy. It's hailing outside. Okay.
In Arizona.
That's just crazy. Like.
In July.
And yeah, it's July too. But I'll record again if the gate's over. Okay, see you guys in the next video.
This was crazy.